Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use Fixy AI for punctuation corrections. First, make sure that you have downloaded Fixy AI app on your phone, and after that click on the search bar and type in Fixy. Click on this logo to open Fixy AI app. After that you can see three different options here. Click on this character options and on this field type in the text that you want to correct punctuations, or you can simply copy the text and paste it here. After that, click on this correct option here. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the corrected version here, and it will also generate explanation about your errors. And on this corrected version, you will see there will be no any punctuation errors. So this is how you can check punctuation corrections using Fixy AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.